Alright, today I'm going to show you this great new fountain pen by Indigraph. It's a game changer in the fountain pen world. Now, I'm admittedly not an expert in fountain pens, but I know that you're always having problems with ink drying up and clogging things and doing all that. So it's great. It's got a water reservoir in the lid that stops it all from drying out. So it's just great. You can use anything in it. India ink. Fantastic. You can use it straight in there. Acrylic inks, amazing. Really good to write with. Now, in the the good old age of the internet and computers, most people's penmanship has kind of suffered, my own included. But it's a fantastic way to get back into it and rediscover that joy of actually writing something down. It's great, unreal. And I'm just doing a bit of a sketch here, bit of a face or something, and it's smooth as. Anytime I've used fountain pens in the past, they've been real scratchy and not really pleasant to write with. This is anything but. It's the complete opposite. It's so smooth and it just glides across the paper. It's just amazing. So you definitely should check it out. It's got a really good, easily refillable cartridge. Just amazing. And it will definitely improve your penmanship all around. It'll just improve. Everything will improve when you use this pen. It's just amazing. It freaks me out because it's like, it's a pen, but it's unreal. It's so good. And it's the only pen I take for sketching now if I'm out and about and just want to sketch something out. I never use pencils when I'm sketching just because they seem to just make too much mess. So the pens are great. And the great thing is about this, using India ink, it's all waterproof, so you can do some nice pen and wash, which I'll show you here. Alright, so if you love pen and wash, I'd highly recommend you do yourselves a favour and get into this Indigraph pen. It's amazing. You can get all sorts of inks for it, different nibs. Just get stuck in and you'll enjoy it. You will love it. It's a game changer. Thanks guys. See you soon. Adios amigos.